Hello friends, I'm going to tell you about the perfect solution that'll handle all your pharmacy processes. Mark Pharmacy software is a complete solution for individual pharmacy shop or retail chain which is designed to handle all your needs in the most effective and accurate way. You can use Mark software for accounts, inventory, breakage, reorder, billing, etc. Using this is very easy. You don't even require much training for this. Also, you can customize this software according to your business. Now let me tell you about the strengths of Mark. Mark is a trade specialized software. You can maintain all types of inventory. Not only distributors, but also Mark software is capable for retailers, manufacturers, stockists, supply chain management, and for MR reporting. Mark has more than 370 support centers and has more than 1000 support professionals. Apart from this, we have local software vendors to solve your problems. Apart from that, there are more than 100 executives at Mark who are available for your help from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. and on Sundays from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. There are senior executive along with executive to solve your problem. You will get an SMS and call for feedback to confirm whether your problem has been solved or not. Now I would like to tell you about Mark achievements. Mark has received Best Pharma Award 2 times. Mark software has also been used abroad like Kenya, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Dubai, South Africa, etc.
Well, I have a chemist shop and I have heard your software is specialized for pharma industry. So may I get to know about your software for chemist shop?
Sure, sir. Would you like to take a look at the software?
Yeah, definitely.
Sir, like all the other software, this software also has the basic accounting features like ledger creation, item creation. So I should only tell you about some unique features of the software.
Ma'am, could you first tell me, can we create a prescription for our regular customers in your software? And can we maintain the prescribed doctor details? Actually, we have some regular customers who purchase fixed medicines on monthly or weekly basis, and we do home delivery for those customers. We have some diabetes patients or some credit patients, patients who take fixed medicines on fixed intervals. So what I want is that I can create a prescription for them and also set a reminder for pending prescriptions informations to my regular customers and also provide the medicines to them on time so that I can maintain better customer relationship. Along with that, on the basis of that prescription, I also want to create sale bill.
Yes, sure, sir. You can easily create prescription in Mark software. In the prescription itself, you can feed all the information of the doctor who prescribed the medicine, and also you can set reminders with which you can provide pending prescription information to your customers. As you can see here, you can maintain prescription over here. You can define the number of the prescription. You can define the number of days you're making this prescription for. You can define your customer's code here. Along with this, you can also feed all the details of the doctor who prescribed the medicine. Also, you can view the pending prescription, and if you want, you can also modify a prescription. After that, whenever you generate invoice, so the software shows you the pending prescription, then you can simply press enter and generate invoice. Or you can also press Alt plus F12 function key to load the prescription in your bill. As you can see that the prescription has been loaded here. As you know, sometimes certain situation arise when your customer says that he wants medicines of only some particular days. Like you know, we have created this prescription only for 15 days. And if the customer says that he doesn't want 15 days medicines, he only wants 7 days medicines or a particular amount of medicines. Let's say the bill of 2000 is generated, but your customer says that he wants only 1000 rupees medicines. So for such a situation also, a provision is available in Mark software. Whenever you load a prescription in your invoice, so you will see here you have bill for days and bill for amount option available. With the help of this, you can convert prescription according to days and amount. Like now, we took an example. If your customer wants to purchase medicines only for 7 days, So in the bill for days, you can mention 7 year, and the software will automatically convert your 15 days prescription according to 7 days and load it in your bill. Similarly, if you want, you can also convert prescription amount wise. And if you see the print preview after the bill is generated, you will see that you can generate half-page invoice. In this way, your stationery is also not much consumed. Also, I would want to tell you that you can generate invoice format design according to yourself. Also, you can get a print of your company's logo in the invoice itself. So, sir, now you see that the prescription option is such a useful option. With this option, you can easily generate your bills and you can deliver medicines to your customers on time.
Wow, ma'am, it's a very beneficial option. Really, I can maintain better customer relationship.
Sir, also I would want to show you a demo of sale bill. As you know, your sale bill is one of the important aspects of every business activity. Sale bill should have simplicity, flexibility, and also good speed. And Mark Software has taken care of all these aspects. Mark Software has made sure that you don't have to press enter much so that your billing speed is maintained. For example, at the time of billing, you don't have to wait at the MRP column. Means your cursor doesn't wait on the MRP column. In Mark Software, when you define the item's MRP in Items Master option, so at the time of billing, the software automatically picks or loads your item's MRP. Also, you can do multi-unit billing. Stock is maintained on the basis of multi-units like tablets, strips, injection, etc. Also, many times your customers at the same time purchase the same medicine's tablet and as well as strip. So in Mark Software, you can also do billing for multiple units. Next is bill format design. In Mark Software, you can self-design your bill. You can self-define your paper length. Also, you can self-load your company's logo in the invoice. The unique feature in sale bill is power fluctuation security. For example, at the time of billing, for any reason the power gets fluctuated and your system turns off. So after that, when you will turn your system back on, so you won't have to regenerate your bill. Those bills will get automatically saved in Mark Software. If you want, you can again reload that bill and you can continue billing. So sir, let's see a demo of the above features. For that, if you go on the transaction menu, go on sale. So you will see that you have the option of sale bill available. Then as soon as you press enter, then you will see that the sale entry window will appear. Here the first option you get is date. Here you can define the date, mention the date you want to generate this bill on, then you press enter to go on the next field. As you press enter, you will see the ledger window will open. Then simply you select your ledger, like we select cash ledger because we are dealing in cash. After selecting your ledger, you will see that you have doctor details and patient details fields available which you can fill. Practically, whenever a customer comes to you to purchase medicines, then you do not ask him the patient's name or doctor's name before billing. In fact, first you load it in the bills. And at the time of bill saving, you ask the customer to feed his details or ask him his details. That's why there's a provision available that during billing, you can skip these fields and can directly enter into the product part. Now from here, if you press enter, then you will see that an item window appears. Then simply you can sell your product or medicine from here. As you can see, as soon as you sell your product, then you will have two units available. That is strip and tablet. If you are selling strip, then you can mention strip quantity, and if you are selling tablet, then you can mention your tablet quantity. After you feed the quantity, the software automatically picks the MRP. But if you manually want to change this, then you can simply change the quantity. And in this way, you will see that you can easily sell multiple products. Now, if you want to save your bill, you simply press the end key. As you press end key, the software shows you an indication. Doctor name must in schedule H1 items. Means in your bill, if you sell any narcotic or any product under schedule H1 or H2, then the software automatically indicates you that it's must to mention the doctor's name. Until and unless you don't mention the doctor's name who prescribed this medicine, till then the software won't let you save your bill. In Mark software, by default, this option is enabled. But if you want that the software allows you to continue billing without defining the doctor's and patient's name, so you can disable this option from Mark setups. And without defining your doctor's name, you can save your bill. But then too, we recommend you do mention the doctor's name in your bill. Now you can see here for patient F2 and for doctor F1. Means for patient details, if you press F2, then you will get the patient's list. From here you will select your patient. Also, if you want to create a new ledger, then you press F2 here itself. Then you can create a new ledger from here. After selecting your patient, you will see doctor field for F1. Means if you press the F1 function key, then you will see the doctor's list open. Means you can describe the name of that doctor who prescribed this medicine. Now we simply press the end key to save the bill and enter on yes. Sir, apart from these, I would like to discuss with you an extra feature. Practically in chemist shops, some products you sell in cash, like some small sales like 1 tablet, 2 tablet, or apart from medicines, you also maintain products of some other category like toffees, chocolate, or cosmetics product whose ledger you do not maintain or whose bills your customer doesn't demand for. So in that case, to generate sale bill for each and every bill and then get a printout of it is very difficult. Like for example, the customer has purchased 1 tablet or 2 tablet. These are really general items, so to generate proper sale bill for these items is very difficult. So to handle such a situation also, we have a provision named counter sale. So you go on the transaction menu, go on sale and enter on counter sale. Here you see you have received certain counter sale. You will receive this option even if your bill is in cash, you do not maintain any ledger for it, all your billings are in cash. And none of the customer asks or you do not provide them any bill. So in that case, as you press enter and define the customer's number, let's say customer number 1, press enter. As you press enter, an item list appears. From here you will choose an item and define which customer took which product and at what MRP. You can see we have created customer 2, 3, 5, 1. Suppose customer number 4 purchased some other item. So in this way from morning to evening, you can feed all these transactions in counter sale. You won't have to create any invoice for it or get any printout of it. Now at the end of the day, you can transfer or load all these counter sale together and at once in one cash voucher. However, if any customer demands bill from you, then you can simply press the F10 function key. Then you select your customer number, like which customer is demanding the bill. Let's say customer number 1 is demanding bill from you. Then you will define the customer number here and press enter and simply select the name of the customer. Then press enter and you will see his item automatically gets loaded. Now you simply press the end key to save this bill. So in this way, if any of the customer demands bill from you, so very easily you can from here itself generate or you can convert counter sale in invoice. So now let's see how can you load all the counter sale all together in one invoice at the end of the day. For that, we will merge all the customers. For that, if we press the F8 function key, so you can merge your customers from here. Suppose you merge customer number 2 with customer number 3 and press enter. So now you see the customer number 2 also got converted with customer number 3. Again you will press F8 function key and you will merge customer number 3 with customer number 4. Press enter and again press F8 function key and merge customer number 4 with customer number 5. Means you understand that you have to convert all the items or all the customers in one number. After converting, again you will press F10 function key. You will define customer number and press enter. You will select cash from here, press enter So now you will see that all your items have been loaded together in your bill. Now you simply press End key and save this bill. At last, I would want to tell you about the most advanced and beneficial option in Mark software, which is family account. For example, you have some regular customers who purchase medicines from you on regular basis. So in that case, you open a ledger of your customer. Suppose one of the family member of your regular customer comes to purchase medicine from you. So you will generate bill with the name of that particular family member, but you will post the outstanding in the main ledger, that is of the regular customer. So all these activities you can very easily maintain in Mark software. So let's see a demo of this. So you will click on sale, define the date, press enter, then enter on cash. Then you see patient for F2. Then we press enter to generate the bill. Press enter. Then we choose the medicines. And then we will press the end key. And after pressing the end key, you will see that your cursor switches to the patient's name field. Then here itself you press F2. Then here itself, if you press F2 function key, then you will be able to create a new patient. For example, a family member of your regular customer came to purchase medicine whose name is Mr. Avi Sharma. So here you can feed his address, you can define date, mobile number, age. If you want to provide any discount, then you can describe here. Then press enter. After that, as you press enter, then the main ledger window will appear. Now you will choose the main customer whose family member came to purchase medicine. Suppose the patient Avi Sharma is the family member of Mr. Kabir. So you will select him. After you press enter, now if you see your bill shows the name Kabir and your patient name is showing Avi Sharma. Now you can also feed the doctor's name by pressing F1 function key. Press end key to save the bill. Now let me show you its accounts effect. For that, if you press the Ctrl plus L key and you see Kabir's ledger, then you will see the bill you generated with the name of Avi Sharma, its outstanding, has been posted in a Kabir's ledger. Like you can see here, the name of the patient, that is Avi, is showing here. Similarly, if you press escape to go on Avi Sharma's ledger, then you won't see any such ledger. So in Mark software, you can easily maintain family account, and with the help of this option, you can maintain better customer relationship.
In our business, the most difficult task is to generate reorder. In our business there are thousands of stocks, so that it's very difficult to maintain proper stock level for all the stocks. Also, it's a very difficult to be aware of shortage of stocks. How much reorder should be provided to manage all these is also very difficult. So is there any provision in your software to facilitate in these difficulties?
Don't worry, sir. Mark software has a proper process to manage your reorder. In Mark software, there's a proper reorder management system in which on multiple bases you can generate reorder. Firstly, let us know how can you generate reorder. If you have properly maintained your stock at your chemist shop, so in Mark software you can generate reorder according to number of days. But if you haven't maintained your stock properly at your chemist shop, so in that case you have two options. One, today's sale basis means how much ever stock has been sold today, so you can provide reorder of those many stock. Or the second option you have is shortage item. You can generate reorder of only shortage items. Generally, where stock is not maintained, there is a notebook which is used to manually note the shortage items, in which you note all those items which are in small quantity and you provide reorder of those shortage items. But in Mark software, a provision is available to feed shortage items, and in Mark it's called substitute of notebook. On using that option, you won't have to maintain a notebook for shortage items. So sir, first let's see how can you generate reorder on number of days if you have properly maintained stock at your chemist shop. As you can see, there's a complete process available for reorder, which is supplier wise, company wise. If you want to generate reorder supplier wise, then you can generate it, or if you want to generate reorder of a particular company's product, then you can generate reorder company wise. If you have properly maintained your stock, then you can use the reorder formula. Reorder for days means you can generate reorder according to number of days as well. Here if you see, there's multiple of bases available like sales, issue basis, sale order basis. So in this way you have multiple of bases available through which you can generate your reorder with a single click. Now for example, you choose a particular supplier whose reorder you want to generate. So you select that supplier, generate a formula according to number of days, and here if you select a basis, then you will see the best discount window appears. With this option, the software shows you those companies whose reorder you must generate. It tells you which distributor provides you how much discount. On the basis of this itself, you can check the distributor which will lead to more profit. If in every company you have defined discounts, you have defined credit days, so the software here itself shows you all the possible best deals. After that, as soon as you press enter, the software generates your reorder over here, and here itself the software shows you your last deal. But then too, if you want to change your reorder quantity, so manually also you can change the quantity. And with a single click you can convert your reorder into purchase order. So now you see how easily you can generate reorder according to number of days in the software. So now let's see today's sale basis. If you haven't properly maintained stock in your chemist shop, so on today's sale basis you can generate reorder. So you see, the meaning of today's sale basis is how much ever stock or items you have sold today, that much amount of reorder you want to generate. So here if you select today's sale, so automatically the software will generate reorder according to your today's sale. Next option you get to generate reorder is shortage. As you know, for generating reorder, you have to manually maintain a diary. But if you use Mark software, so you won't have to maintain any diary or do any manual work. Whenever you will generate sale bill and look at the items window, and if you want to transfer these short products to shortage, so you will press the star key. Then you will see the shortage window appears. Over here itself, you can define the shortage quantity, like how much quantity is in shortage. And here itself, if you want, then you can view a shortage report, which you can view in Mark Software Masters menu, which you can view in whole shortage wise, supplier shortage wise, and company shortage wise. So you can see your shortage list report has appeared. These are those products which are under shortage products category. There's shortage option available in reorder. Whenever you will select shortage on reorder basis, so the software will regenerate all those items which you transferred to the shortage in reorder. Here itself you have another option. If you want, then you can directly generate purchase order as you can see on your screens. Now whenever you will open purchase order, so you will see you have various criterias on whose basis you can make purchase order, and here itself you will see that there's shortage option available. I would like to explain these options to you in brief, like manual selection. If you manually want to select those products whose reorder you want to provide, so you can manually select those. You can directly use sale bill over here. If you don't want to generate reorder through proper reorder management, so you can use sale bill in purchase order as well. Then here itself you will see you have shortage option available. As soon as you select shortage option, so again the window of best discounts appear. If you have defined discount and credit days in your company, so the software will show you the best deals by providing reorder to those companies with which you can earn more profit. Means which company provides you the best discount or how much credit days they can provide. So from here itself you can analyze from which party you can earn more profit by providing them reorder. After selecting your company, all your shortage products the software automatically loads in your purchase order. Now if you see its invoice, you will see the purchase order print preview. So you can see here. You can also self-design purchase order according to yourself. You can also view this in PDF format, Also, you can mail the purchase order to your parties from PDF view. Lastly, there is one more option available, which is minimum level and maximum level. If in the items master you have defined the minimum level and maximum level of your stock in the Mark software, so you can generate reorder on minimum and maximum level stock basis. Means the software will automatically generate reorder of those products which are below the minimum level. If you define the minimum level and maximum level of item stock in item master, so you will be able to generate reorder on stock basis of minimum and maximum level. Means the software will automatically generate the reorder of those products which are below the minimum level. But this option is not used much because some medicines are seasonal, so you sort of won't be able to make use of this option. But then too, if you want to use minimum level and maximum level stock, so in Mark software we have a provision available.
Wow, ma'am, with the help of this software, I can easily maintain the stock level and quite easily maintain reorder. It's an amazing feature. Ma'am, we have to face one more problem. Sometimes some customer comes to purchase medicines, but that medicine is not available. So in that case, it's a very difficult to know whether we have a substitute for that medicines or not. Mostly what happens is some customer comes to purchase a costly medicines for which he find out that he can't afford it. So in that case, we try to that we provide him a substitute to that medicine so that that customer can afford the medicines and he doesn't have to go somewhere else for the other medicine.
Yeah, sure, sir. In Mark software, you can very easily maintain your products with all details. And at the time of billing, you can find a substitute for any product. Like you can see here, you can define salt master in item master itself. And if your product has been made from more than one salt, then you can define multiple salts for one product. Means in Mark software, you can define combination of salts for one product. Not only salt, but also you can feed all details related to those salts. Like you can feed its indications, maximum dosage to be consumed, or the side effects of that salt. Any special precaution you can describe, drug instructions, all these types of details you can feed in your salt. Along with this, you can mention whether your salt is a narcotic product, whether it's under Schedule H or under Schedule H1. You can define the maximum rate. If the salt is prohibited, so you can ban it by choosing yes for prohibited. And also you can define a special note. So after this, whenever you will do billing and go on the item window and press the F8 function key, so very easily you will be able to view that salt, and from here itself you will be able to select that salt which you want to sell. For example, we take a combination of salt. As soon as you select that salt and press enter, so you will see your selected salt and the products of your selected salt will appear. Now simply you can select any product and generate a bill for it. Along with this, you have stock-wise inventory and stock-wise stock register available in Mark software. If you want to see how many products are available for a particular salt, so in this way you will generate a salt register.
But ma'am, I have one more question regarding this. That you have shown me how to generate expiry report, but could you tell me how can I transfer self-breakage or expiry stock, or how can I manage it?
Yes, sir, definitely. We do have a solution to this problem. In Mark software, there are a couple of self-breakage and expired stock management process available. If you go on the transaction menu, so you will see there's a stock issue option available. Then you will select this ledger. As soon as you select it and select your ledger, so you have self-breakage expired and wastage ledger available. Now simply you will select your ledger. After selecting your ledger, a return window will appear here. There are some options available like manual selection and expired before. Through the option of manual selection, you can manually select your stock that whichever products you transfer in your scrap store, you will have to manually select those. But here itself there's another option available which is expired before. If you choose this option, then through this option you can transfer expiry stock till a particular date altogether in scrap. For that, you will simply define that date till which date you want to transfer the stock to scrap. Here you also have an option to choose which company's product you want to transfer to scrap. If you want to only transfer the stock of a particular company, then from here you can select that particular company. As you will select your company, you will see the software automatically loads your expired stock according to your defined companies and defined date. And you simply transfer the stock in the scrap by pressing the end key.
Okay, it's a very beneficial option. Ma'am, I would want to know about the reporting part, which will be useful for my chemist shop.
Sure, sir. We have thousands of reports available in Marg, and you can customize or filter those reports as per your needs. Like, for example, dump and expired stock report. As you know, it's very important for every chemist shop to maintain its dump and expiry stock. That's why Mark Software has a separate report for dump and expiry stock. So you will see in daily report, if you see under inventory report, so you will see near expiry / expired report. And also you have dump stock report. As soon as you'll click on the report, so you will see a report window will appear. Now from here you can very easily generate report. Here the most beneficial option is expiry from and up to. You will mention that date from which date till which date you want to generate expiry or dump stock report. As soon as you define your date, so you will see your report has been generated very easily. If you want, you can export any report from Mark Software to Excel, PDF or Word format. Like as you see, we just exported an expiry report in PDF format. As we had already discussed VAT number, you can very easily view your report in VAT number. Here you can view batch, you can see the expire date, you can view the quantity, amount, and along with this, the software shows you the supplier's details. Apart from this, the unique report in Mark Software is patient and doctor-wise sale report. If you want, then you can view doctor-wise sale summary, sales statement, and you can view doctor's company-wise summary. Similarly, you have patient-wise sales summary. If you want to view a particular patient's sale report, so you can view patient and doctor-wise sale report in Mark Software. Apart from this, there's another unique and advanced report in Mark Software, which is ABC Analysis Report, means always better control. This is a logical report which you can generate according to yourself. As you can see here, you can do indexing and on alphabetical base, you can generate this report. Like from which alphabet till which alphabet you want to generate. Here you have an option rate wise. You can analyze your inventory on rate basis, analyze on value basis. For example, if you define your rate A and feed a rate here, those products who are between the range of 100 to 200, those types of reports also you can generate in the software. If on value basis you want to, then you can analyze your inventory on value basis. This report is very useful if you want to do stock taking. Like as you know that in a chemist shop, there are thousands of items and of every item it's very difficult to do stock taking. And some of the products are very costly, whose stock taking is very important. So in that case, through this report, you can generate those products lists which are very costly and very easily you can do stock taking. Apart from this, there's another option, not sold issued after. As you know, every medicine has an expiry date, and if you return your expired stock within a limited period of time, so it gets refunded. Else, you will have to bear capital loss if you don't return those stock within a specified period of time. Another feature available is sold and issued after. As you know that the medicines are sold on current MRP price, and also you know that time to time your medicines rates also change. That's why it's very important that you don't maintain your old stock for much time, because you can only return your stock within a specified period of time. That's why if you want, you can generate a type of report in Mark Software of those products who have not been sold last month. So these types of list also you can generate, and you can easily return those products and you can get its refund. Apart from this, if you see, here you have many multiple filters available. So sir, You can from this itself realize that ABC Analysis report is so useful.
Nice, ma'am. All these options are really very useful. Almost all my basic needs get fulfilled. In the software, there are many advanced and unique features which will fulfill any pharma business requirements. I am really impressed with your software.
Further, for more inquiry, you can call on our landline number, which is 011 309 69600. Apart from this, you can have an online chat with us on www.markcompusoft.com. Also, you can send us an SMS on 56767. If you want to learn any feature of Mark software in detail, then you can view or download a video tutorial from a website, that is www.tutorial.markcompusoft.com. Thank you.